Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add chat wallpaper on Telegram. So you open up the chat where you want to add the wallpaper, and then you tap on the three dots on the top right corner over here, and then you tap on change wallpaper, and then you tap on choose wallpaper from gallery. So you go to the wallpaper you want to choose. This is the one I want to choose, and you can start to blur it like this, or put it in motion like this, and you can also decide to switch it in dark mode. You can dim it like this, depends on you, or you can leave it in light mode. You can also tap on this brush icon to edit the photo. So once you're done, you tap on apply for me. It's as simple as that.